Why does your scanner show the P0443 engine code? What does it mean? P0443 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emission control, EVAP system, purge control, valve circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that this means the engine control module, ECM, has detected a problem with the electrical circuit controlling the purge valve, a component that manages fuel vapors in the EVAP system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty purge valve, damaged or corroded wiring, wiring harness issues, jammed purge valve, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, Honda, Toyota, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.